A Singapore Civil Defence Force officer who helped carry the late Corporal Kok Yuen Chin to the pump well as part of a ragging ritual revealed that Corporal Kok was reluctant to enter the well that same morning after he was teased. The drowning incident took place hours later in the evening.
Lance Corporal Mohammed Rabiq Atam Ansari took the stand on the third day of the trial of two commanders who have been charged with not preventing the incident. Deborah Wong reports.
Lance Corporal Ansari testified that during a football game the morning of the incident, Corporal Kok was teased about going into the well to retrieve the ball. Lance Corporal Ansari said he believed Corporal Kok refused to do so because he thought his colleagues would push him into the well. At that point, he recounted that Team Commander Lieutenant Kenneth Chong had stopped the group from taking further action after he heard the commotion. That same evening, Lance Corporal Ansari said the word kolam, meaning well in Malay, was mentioned while the team was in the control room. That referred to the ragging ritual. He told the court Corporal Kok had a scared smile and rushed out of the room when kolam was mentioned. He also testified that Corporal Kok resisted mildly while he was being carried to the pump well. The defense counsel suggested his expression could have indicated that Corporal Kok was stressed and not scared, which Lance Corporal Ansari later agreed. Corporal Kok's father and cousin were also present at the hearing. I understand that Mr. Kok took leave to attend the session as he wanted to see the videos as well as his late son's superiors Kenneth Chong and Nazan Muhammad Nazi, since he had not seen them before. Mr. Kok looked sad when the court was shown the footage of Corporal Kok during the cake-cutting celebrations, one of him being carried to the well and another of him sitting at the edge of the well moments before he drowned. In his statements to the police, Lieutenant Chong acknowledged he had failed his duty as a supervisor for not stopping the activity of getting Corporal Kok into the well. He also said in another statement he knew the officers would make Corporal Kok go into the well when he saw them there. But Lieutenant Chong's lawyer argued the police officers who took the statements had summarized them instead of recording it verbatim. Prosecution witness Assistant Superintendent of Police Mahathir Mohamad disagreed, saying only clarifications were made and no discussions were held during the recordings. SCDF officer Adi Ghazali Suhaimi, who deleted a video of that night, will take the stand next.